2002 Windstar van windows are not working. Okay, we're gonna see if we can't take this panel off.
And in the summertime, you really do need the window to work.
And
one screw there. Get it around the door handle.
Alright, let's see if we can't get some switches off of here.
Okay. White one goes up front. It's just got a little tab you push, pull it out. Let's see, this one is a tab on the back.
That's gray. Blue one's in the middle. And this little light here on the bottom just screws out. Looks like somebody's been in here before. They have drilled holes for the mounting screws, and they're about a mile off. That door skin is awful thin. As you can see right here, that's cracked.
And that exposes that one. This has got a raised clip on it right here.
Which you got to be extremely careful with them.
That one, played ball. That is a 8mm.
Now what I'm going to do, I don't see any, see the brush way up in there. I see a little brush here. This one, not much. That's not good. What I'm going to do is sand this right here.
That's very fine grit sandpaper.
220.
220.
Lowest I could find. You don't want to use no emery cloth. I got the brushes Or they'll come down a little bit more. This one is a good bit, but this one is a problem. There we go. Got a little seal on it. Okay. I did find a socket to fit this.
That was a 4mm. Went right on there and worked.
I gotta hold that in there. Gotta slide that little light in down there into that hole. Okay.
Check out how these clips here on this door go in here. They go in them and then go down. Same way on that side.
Okay. Let's get a little light plug back in here. There you want down here.
Alright, that makes it simple enough
Blue
for me
goes
because
in
I
the
remember
middle.
blue was in the middle. Okay.
I can hear that snap.
It went in. It's got a push tab right there. Work out with that.
The back here has got such a long thing, it's holding it. Okay.
Yep.
Now if you can get them back in their groove up there in front, these seem to be in there.
Like that.
Okay, get them both sides.
Yeah. Well, we're off our mark over here dramatically.
Where did they do they?
Right there. And this one seems to be in its groove, so that's good. Okay. Our little side plate clippy, a little clip on it right here on the bottom. And of course one that goes in there.
Try the window. I get away with that for a little while. On this side, they have little dents right here where you can pre-drill. It may be close, may not be, we'll find out. We're going to start off with a little starter bit, and then we'll go up to a 3/8 bit. Anywhere close to them.
Cannot see yet.
You can see that one a little bit. I can't see this one at all. I can see it up in there.
Where's
I
it
can
at?
see that one up in there. But we may need a bigger drill bit. Alright, we're going to have to go to a 1/2 inch.
Socket wouldn't fit through there. Fish out lead drop.